vaginas and penises could well be in our faces, not next to our arses.
Was much of 20th century art right to view beauty as a clichéd dead end? Julian, I'd like to start with you.
I think beauty is really important for us, and it's very important for the future of the world. But the nature of that beauty and what we mean by it is complicated, and we have to be very clear about it. On the question I've just been asked, the answer is, of course, yes and no. Picasso was right, I think, to create very beautiful works of art, in my opinion, in response to Darwin's discovery of evolution. He was right to reject the beauty of appearances. Before that, the Western Christian world, no one else in the world, I want you to remember, but the Western Christian world believed that God had created the world as it appears, and as you look at God, look at the world, you saw divinity, you saw beauty. What could be more beautiful? But Darwin said no. He proved that actually the world's changed dramatically, and our vaginas and penises could well be in our faces, not next to our arses. And Picasso understood that reality and responded to it. That's what was so amazing about his work and amazing about modern art. So modern art was a reaction against a concept of beauty that was no longer truthful. And what happened then was, and beauty is an art is in a response to the nature of truth. Nietzsche said, we have art to stop us being, I think, destroyed by truth. And Keats had this wonderful thing of saying truth is beauty and beauty truth, that's all you need to know. These are complicated ideas, but unless beauty is anchored on truth, then it doesn't, in my view, exist. So what happened in the 20th century was that our perception, and modern art is purely a Western Christian phenomenon, modern art was a response to a changing understanding of truth. What went wrong was the idea of progress. What went wrong was the idea of the shock of the new. What went wrong was Duchamp's theft of Elsa von Freytag's fabulously beautiful urinal, which was the first great feminist pacifist work of art. He stole it, robbed it of its meaning, said it was a piss take against anything visually creative, and he's the foundation for con art and conceptual art, and that whole thing is wrong. And it was an awful mistake, and the art world, I'm afraid the museum world, in which I was part of, has got totally tied into the apron strings of the art market and the investment world of the art market, and none of us are now seeing the art that is really being made today, much of which is very beautiful, because it has no public platform on which it can be seen. This is why I'm so angry about it.
To continue watching this video, click the link in the top left or in the description below, or visit iai.tv for more debates and talks from the world's leading thinkers on today's biggest ideas.